Can we please talk about what just happened at Cannes? Because I feel like the internet slept on this and I am not okay. This woman showed up to the Cannes Film Festival with a fever, a literal fever, and a bad foot, and still walked out there looking like that. Now, if you don't know who Snejana Onopka is, I actually have a full video on her whole life, the drama, the betrayals, the rise, all of it. Link is right up there, go watch it after this. But this video, this one is specifically about her return, because this woman has been gone, like actually gone, off the red carpets, off the runways, out of the industry for so long. And the fact that she is back, and she chose Cannes to make that statement, I'm sorry, but that's not just a comeback. That's iconic behavior, and we need to talk about it. So let's rewind for a second, because to understand why this return is such a big deal, you need to understand just how gone she was. Like, we're not talking about a little break. We're not talking about, oh, she took a season off. This woman was at the absolute top of fashion. Campaigns for Prada, Dolce & Gabbana, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Tom Ford. Like, the list doesn't end. She was literally everywhere. And then she just stopped. No big announcement, no drama, no farewell show. She got married, she stepped back, and the industry just moved on, like she never existed. And that's the thing about this industry, right? One minute you're closing Dolce & Gabbana, the next minute nobody's calling. But her fans never forgot, like never. Go on any Snejana TikTok from the last few years, and the comments are just people saying, where is she? And we miss her, and please come back. For years. The loyalty of her fan base is actually insane. So when she finally showed back up, it wasn't just a moment for her, it was a moment for everyone who never stopped waiting. But here's what nobody is really talking about, the behind the scenes, because apparently she came to her fitting with a temperature, like she was sick. And if you've ever seen her posting about her foot recently, she kind of had a left foot surgery.
We completely fucked up with Snejana's second appearance on the red carpet. We got her this dress originally. It took us so much begging with a stylist to be able to get this dress. This designer is so hype right now, every celebrity wants to wear it. We paid 1K for a delivery of this dress, and because she had a surgery on her foot and she was wearing heels yesterday, she cannot walk today. Like, it's very painful for her. And this dress is like 20K, so she can't wear it. But this dress, if she wore it, would like destroy everyone else's outfits on the Cannes Film Festival, because like this is art. So we have to figure out something now in 2 hours, which is going to be as good. So this is
and that is the difference between a comeback and an iconic return. Because that's the thing. She didn't walk out there looking like someone who just came back. She walked out there looking like she never left. It's the fact that she waited until she was ready. And when she showed up as herself, fully. No apology, no I'm back and here's why. Just Cannes. Just here I am, deal with it. If you want the full story, her rise, the drama, the betrayals, everything, that video is linked right up there. And if you're new here, this channel is all about the moments, the people, and the stories that became iconic.